May picture agad na nagaganap. O diba, pagdating mo, picture. Gwapo niya! Hala! Kuya, ang ganda ng airport nila. Kalamo Hotel. Islamabad International Airport is really beautiful. You have too much exposure on my camera now. Nakikonnect ako sa kanya kasi nakita niya siguro, nahihirapan ako. So, ayan, nagpa-connect naman siya. At hinatid pa ako. Sorry, what's your name again?
Huh?
What's your name again?
Omar Shizad.
Omar Shizad. Aywa. So, meet Omar Shizad, everybody. So, good evening, citizens of the planet Earth. I am here in Islamabad, Pakistan, and for today's video, come with me as I find my way to hostel. By the way, if you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Kate Toretto. I save $1 million peso, quit my job to pursue my dream of traveling as many countries as I can. So come and join me on my heartwarming adventures as a solo traveler. Without further ado, let's go! Finally happening in first steps here in Islamabad, Pakistan. Let's see. Hala, ito na siya. Doon na talaga siya. Sana wala maging problem sa immigration. Alam mo na. Doon na siya. Nahanap ko yung sign ng yung parang airport of Islamabad International Airport. Hindi ko siya nakita. Kasi natin sa labas. Umuulan, grabe. I'm so excited! Kuya, ang ganda ng airport nila. Kalamo Hotel. Pakistan Airport, Islamabad International Airport is really beautiful. It looks like a hotel. Wow. Ah, ang ganda. Any place where I can buy SIM card?
SIM card?
Yeah. No, not here?
No.
Alright, no worries. Thank you. Hoy, ang ganda ng Islamabad Airport. Gosh. We're finally doing our first steps here in Islamabad International Airport. So, the immigration was smooth. Walang kahit anong tanong, hiningi lang yung visa ko. Kinalag yung passport ko, sabi, wow, ang ganda. Okay, approved. Welcome to Pakistan. Ganon. Kailangan ko ng wifi. Mag-book ako ng taxi papunta sa lugar ko. So, ayun. Where is this? Which one? Which one is this?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you hold that? Sorry. Thank you. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, sorry, I just need to book Karim, right? Or Uber. You have too much exposure on my camera now. It's not working your Wi-Fi, shucks. May welcoming present tayo agad dito, di ba? So, ayan, may tumutulong sa akin para hanapin yung taxi ko. Nagtatrabaho siya pero iniwanan niya yata yung work niya para tumulong. Sobrang bagal ng wifi, grabe. Nakikonnect ako sa kanya kasi nakita niya siguro, nahihirapan ako. So ayan, nagpa-connect naman siya. At hinatid pa ako. Sorry, what's your name again?
Huh?
What's your name again?
Omar Shizad.
Omar Shizad. Aywa. So meet Omar Shizad, everybody. Ito siya, you know, your airport is beautiful. If you understand, it's beautiful. Hi. Okay, eto na. Madali lang pala. Kala ko naman may mga pamis-mis na magaganap. So you messaged me on Instagram, yeah? You have Instagram, yeah? TikTok? Okay. Nam. Okay. So ayan, hanapin yung taxi ko. Yun lang. Punta na sa hostel. Nasya-shock yung mga tao sa akin. That's the one? JE401. No, I booked in Karim.
You need taxi?
No, I already booked. It's okay. Yeah.
This is taxi.
Karim.
Yeah.
Diba? Naki-wifi na ako. Siya pa yung
Kita ba na
Siya pa ngayon tumatawag sa driver. Hindi mo kaya, diba? Tinodo-todo ko na kasi may mahirap maghanap. At least may tumutulong. Thank you syukran. Ang gwapo naman nito. Naku, ako mukhang nanganganib na naman ako. Pag ako yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Diba? Kung ganyan yung sa subusay sa Pakistan, pumunta ka na. Kaya magpatumpik-tumpik pa, girl. Book mo yan. May picture agad na nagaganap. O diba, pagdating mo, picture. Gwapo niya. Hala. Yakam. I hope I look good daw. Good?
Yeah. Yes.
Sure?
भैया
Can I see?
वो आगे
This is the one? No, not the one. What's...
गाड़ी चेंज आईडी माई सेम सैयद नासिर हुसैन
Hello, welcome to Pakistan to me. I want to put my bag in the back, but I will sit in the front, yeah?
ओके
Thank you.
ओके
But I want to sit here because I want to see Pakistan. Oh, it's raining inside your car.
Sorry?
Your car inside, raining, umuulan, kuya.
This window is open.
No, it's fine. Keep it open. I like it. Kuya, hello.
Hi.
Finally heading to my hostel. Medyo hassle kasi walang wifi. Sobrang bagal ng wifi. Walang bilihan ng SIM card. So, pagdating ko na lang doon ako maghahanap. I just wanna settle myself first. And then, once I'm there, bongga. So, good evening, citizens of the planet Earth. I am here in Islamabad, Pakistan. And for today's video, come with me as I find my way to hostel. Finally, nakabook na tayo ng Karim. So, ayun. Thank you kay Kuya, pinakonnect niya tayo. Sobrang bagal ng internet, but still it's worth it. Nakapag-book ako, and that's what's important. I'm from where, Kuya?
Sorry?
China? No, I'm from the
Which
Philippines.
country do you belong?
No, I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, China daw, China. You know, whenever I go travel, people think it's either I'm from China or Korea or Japan. But I'm from the Philippines.
Almost same features.
Yes. So, ayan. Nakaamoy tayo ng totoong nature. Ang lamig niya, ang sarap. Umuulan, sobrang ginaw. Walang hassle, ang lamig. Ang ganda ng panahon, grabe. So, ayan. Labas na, hindi na ako nagtagal sa airport kasi ang dami kong dala. At baka abutin ako ng gabi sa daan. Hindi ko kabisado pa to. So, pinush ko muna umuwi. But I think, babalik ako sa airport just, do a little bit of exploring. But not today. But for sure, I will. Sobrang ginaw. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Hindi ko pa naman dinala yung jacket kong panlamig. Shoota. Ay, alam mo, ang taray ng Karim dito, pwede kang mag-haggle. Pwede mong ibaba yung price. Tapos, kaso nga lang, it will take longer for the app to find you a driver. So, doon na tayo sa kung ano yung recommended. So, pag book ko, 1 minute meron na agad. Dumating siya. And super bait ni Kuya. I'm saying to my vlog that you are very kind. So, thank you. So, yung tutuluyan ko is 30 minutes away from the airport. Tapos yung pamasahe is around 1,300 Pakistani rupee. I can't still believe nandito na ako. Oh my God. Uy, Pakistan to. Uy, ano na? The weather is really good. I really like it. Baguio feels mga mami. Actually, parang Georgia feels din. Ang gina, pero ayokong pasarado yung window kasi ina-enjoy ko. Ang sarap niya. Ang lamig. Kahit magkasabog-sabog yung mukha ko, okay lang yan. Oh my God, huy, Pakistan to. Daw makapaniwala.
This is police checkpost.
Police checkpoint?
Yeah.
Do they check everybody? No, only random. Sometimes they check, sometimes not.
Random.
Ah, okay.
This one, every time the policeman in here, but randomly check.
Ah, okay. I thought every time.
Yeah, every time.
Bigla ako nagutom, bigla ako na-excite kumain. Hindi ko alam kung ano una kong kakainin. Pero mag-stick tayo sa favorite ko. which is Muton Karay and Roti. So, makakatikim na tayo ng authentic talagang galing sa Pakistan later. Pagdating ko ng hostel, I'm just gonna settle myself. I'm just gonna settle my things. And then, let's go! Ayan na, nagsisimula na, nangyayari na siya! Excuse me, sorry. Do you know Backpackers Hostel?
709.
Yeah. I can enter here, dear? Thank you. Where's the lift? The na finding the amazing 709. Kakawa na tayo ng taxi. Successful, di ba? Nahanap ko na naman ang aking hostel. Ito talaga ako. Ayan na. Papunta tayo sa hostel. Hindi mo kaya. Lift. Pagdating ko sa room, ayos lang. Kain ako, nagugutom na ako. 709 daw. Finding the hostel. Ganon. Shit. Punyeta. Ang kala ng lift nila. May ano. May... Gusto mo yan? Sir, excuse me. 709.
Yeah, this one.
This one?
And this one.
Private property. 709. Okay, sure. You work here? You stay here also?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So you have a reservation?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Can I book this for Agoda or should I?
Sorry? Booking.com.
What's the name?
It's... Hi. Paangkas ako. Slowly, kuya, ha? I'm scared. Wala. Wait. Ay! Okay. Go. F11. Hi! O, diba nakaride tayo agad? Go, kuya. Laban mo yan. Mo kong ilalaglag, ha? Sabi ko sa'yo. May naka-offer na ng libreng sakay. Welcome, Pakistan! Ganon!